How you like to lay low under the limelight, which can hurt your eyes if you're a devil, you're becoming of the devil in disguise. But you watch your back, you watch your back. You know when eyes in the back of your head, you're preventing of the sneak attack, sneak attack. You must be keeping secret weapons in your fanny pack. You're like a laughing gas, you got the cat to dance. You like view splash dance at your holy glass. Got a wingspan spanning the globe, you got gold, and you're teaching us all to let go. You're a wise old now when you're the cat's meow. If this were 12th grade, you would be my cap and gown. If this were India, then you would be a sacred cow, and I'd bow down to you. So grateful to the gods for making you. Oh, you love and did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. You love and did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. You be standing up for the equal rights of the Canadian people, and you be needing all the influence you seekers for the sake of the truth. You got a front seat saying that's a place with your name and a superhero cape on. You see the future is a sky full of possibility, with his pride as a mind and a psychic ability. You probably won't die at the hands of an enemy and not in a den of iniquity. You're not the average Joe, you're not the average Jane. You're not above or below, but you never just plain. You never take no personally, and anytime you get stopped, just try another way. You could be set up for a kiss without a cease and desist. If they ask you, we'll tell, cause we're activists. I am that I am, and you are that you are. All that is now P-E-R-F-E-C-T-O-N-T-T-I-T-U-D-E-B. What does that spell? It spells you did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. You love and did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. So you did it. So you did it. So you did it. Solo. Mona solo. When you circumnavigating the turntable, calling the tracks like you be jumping in the water, you be making a splash, you be keeping your heartbeat going, you be keeping the harmony going. Well, there's an awful lot of musical styles you can play. Well, there's an awful lot of tastes, an awful lot of dates you could be on. You be keeping your backbone strong, you be keeping your trombone blowing. Well, every friend of mine will give each other high fives when your beautiful minds to your broken eyes. Did you do what you like and you always like what you try? You touch me like an iPhone application, move me like a smooth jazz music station. Do what you do in the way that you choose to do. And oh my God, you're quick to be so cool. Damn, you got a way with words, you got a magical handshake for saving the earth. You are so generous and you are so awesome it hurts. You are A-W-E-S-O-M-E. What does that spell? It spells you did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. You love and did it. You really did it, chick. You done did it. You love and did it. You are A-W-E-S-O-M-E.